We have a really great ceramics program at Richland. I try and do several different projects. Today we're putting art out in different locations on campus. This class did porcelain installation work, and so they had to formulate a glaze with this. We had to build sculptures and put it outside. The art is at different locations on campus. We have some that are out in the garden over here near Wichita. We have some near the Labyrinth and some near the main bridge on campus. And I really try and get the students to be outside on campus with their art. A lot of people at Richland don't know we have such an amazing art program here, so we have to bring the art to them and really get out on campus.